These two simple mindset shifts could change your life forever. A mindset shift is changing your perspective on a topic and seeing it in a different way, typically in a more positive light. Now in fitness, mindset is everything. To be successful, you need to be consistent. To be consistent, you need to be disciplined, and discipline is all in here. So here's the first mindset shift that you need to do to become successful in your journey. Shift your mind into understanding that fitness is not a chore, it's a privilege. When you catch yourself saying, I need to exercise today or I have to exercise today, change it to, I get to exercise today. For those who actually have the option to move their body, to exercise, to do a routine that will help change your life or to maintain your health, that is a privilege. You are lucky. It's an opportunity you get to do. Take advantage of it. There's a lot of people that can't and they wish they could. Remind yourself that you get to work out. And the second mindset shift is to change your identity in here. Instead of saying to yourself, I'm working out today because I am trying to be healthy, or I'm eating these fruits and veggies because I'm trying to be healthy, tell yourself you're doing all this because you are healthy. I got this example from James Clear and it just makes so much sense. Notice the difference between two smokers refusing a cigarette. One says, well, I'm trying to quit, and the other says, I don't smoke. Which one sounds more powerful, right? In your mind, be that person already, because it's just a matter of time. I hope these tips help you just as they help me, and as always, you totally got this.